Planning your first cruise trip, or maybe you're a seasoned cruiser looking for some new insights. The allure of the open sea, the promise of adventure, and the thrill of new experiences. It's no surprise that cruise vacations are increasingly popular. But as with any journey, planning is key. Throughout this video, we'll delve into a wealth of information that is crucial for an unforgettable cruise experience. From selecting the right cruise that fits your unique preferences, to booking your trip efficiently, packing the essentials, and providing you with some insider tips for life on board. We've got you covered. We'll guide you on this journey, ensuring you feel well prepared and excited for your upcoming cruise. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to make your cruise vacation the best it can be. So whether you are a first-timer or a seasoned cruiser, stay tuned for some invaluable cruise tips and tricks. The first step in planning your cruise trip is choosing the right cruise. Now, this might seem a bit overwhelming, especially with the myriad of options available. Fear not, we're here to help you navigate these waters. Firstly, consider your destination. Are you yearning for the sandy beaches of the Caribbean or the icy landscapes of Alaska? Maybe you're craving the rich history of Europe or the exotic allure of Asia. Your destination will significantly influence your cruise experience. So, dream a little and let your imagination guide you. Next, think about the duration of your cruise. Mini cruises of 3 to 5 days are perfect for those seeking a quick getaway. 7 to 10-day cruises offer a balanced mix of relaxation and exploration. But if you're looking for an epic adventure, consider extended cruises that can last anywhere from 2 weeks to several months. Now let's talk about price. The cost of a cruise can vary greatly depending on factors like the cruise line, ship size, cabin type, and time of year. It's important to set a budget and stick to it. Keep in mind, the quoted price often doesn't include extras like drinks, excursions, and gratuities. So make sure to factor those in. Finally, consider the type of cruise. Are you traveling with family, or are you single and ready to mingle? Perhaps you're seeking a luxury experience or something more laid back. There are cruises catered to all types of travelers. Family cruises often feature kid-friendly activities and entertainment, while singles cruises provide opportunities to meet other like-minded travelers. Luxury cruises, on the other hand, offer top-notch service, gourmet dining, and plush accommodations. In conclusion, choosing the right cruise involves careful consideration of several factors. It's about matching your personal preferences and expectations with what different cruises have to offer. Remember, the right cruise will make or break your experience, so choose wisely. You're not just booking a vacation, you're crafting an unforgettable journey. Now that you've chosen your cruise, it's time to book it. So the question is, when is the best time to book a cruise to get the best deals? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Cruise pricing is more art than science, fluctuating due to factors like time of year, destination popularity, and how full the ship is. However, a general rule of thumb is to book several months in advance. Off-peak seasons like fall and late spring can often offer the best deals. Early bird gets the worm, right? But here's a little insider secret. Last-minute bookings can also yield great savings, especially if the cruise line is looking to fill up those last few cabins. Just be aware, though, that your choice of cabin may be limited and flights might be pricier if you're flying to the departure port. So weigh your options carefully. Now let's talk about how to book. You've got two main options: using a travel agent or booking online. Travel agents can be a great resource. They often have access to special deals and can provide personalized advice based on your preferences. Plus, they'll handle all the nitty-gritty details for you. On the flip side, booking online gives you the freedom to research and compare options at your own pace. Many cruise lines have user-friendly websites and even offer online-only deals. Regardless of how you book, don't forget the importance of reading the fine print. Understand the cancellation policy, what's included in the price, and any additional costs that might sneak up on you. You don't want any unpleasant surprises spoiling your cruise experience. And finally, consider travel insurance. It may seem like an unnecessary expense, but it can be a lifesaver if unforeseen circumstances arise. Trust me, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Booking your cruise can seem complicated, but with these tips, you'll be well on your way to a great deal. So let's move on to the next exciting part, packing for your cruise. With your cruise booked, you're probably wondering what to pack. The key to packing for a cruise is striking a balance between necessities and luxuries. Let's start with the essentials. You'll need enough clothes to last the duration of your trip, including swimwear and formal attire for those special dining nights. Don't forget your daily essentials such as underwear, socks, and sleepwear. Remember, most cruise ships offer laundry services, so you don't need to pack a new outfit for every day. You may also want to pack a light jacket or sweater, as it can get a bit chilly on deck in the evenings. Now let's move on to toiletries. While cruise ships do provide basic toiletries, you may want to pack your own preferred brands. Don't forget your sunscreen and insect repellent, especially if you're cruising to tropical destinations. Another essential that often slips people's minds is medication. If you take regular medication, make sure you bring enough to last the entire trip. It's also a good idea to have a basic first aid kit on hand for minor injuries or ailments. Now onto those items that aren't essential, but can make your cruise much more enjoyable. A good book or two, your favorite snacks, and perhaps a travel game for those lazy sea days. And of course, don't forget your travel documents. Your passport, cruise tickets, and any necessary visas should be in a safe and accessible place. When it comes to luggage, less is more. Most cruise lines have a luggage limit, usually around 2 large bags per person. Packing light not only ensures you stay within this limit, but also makes traveling to and from the ship much easier. Lastly, consider your onboard storage. Cruise cabins aren't known for their spaciousness, so think about packing items that can be easily stored away. Packing might seem daunting, but with a little planning, you'll have everything you need for your cruise. Once you're on board, there are a few things you should know to make your cruise more enjoyable. Firstly, remember that cruise ships are like floating cities, bustling with a multitude of activities. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a foodie, or a relaxation enthusiast, there's something for everyone. Take the time to explore your ship and dive into the plethora of activities on offer. From rock climbing walls to cooking classes, live shows to art auctions, let your curiosity guide you. Next, let's talk about dining. Most cruise ships offer a variety of dining options. You can opt for the main dining room, which often serves a multi-course meal, or head to the buffet for a more casual dining experience. Specialty restaurants are also available, offering a range of cuisines from sushi to Italian. Don't forget to make reservations if you're interested in these specialty dining options. And if you're a night owl, late-night snacks or room service are usually available. Now let's address the elephant in the room, seasickness. It's a common concern, especially for first-time cruisers. The good news is most modern ships are equipped with stabilizers that minimize the motion of the ocean. However, if you're prone to motion sickness, it's a good idea to come prepared. Over-the-counter medication can be a lifesaver, and natural remedies like ginger or acupressure wristbands can also be effective. Another tip is to book a cabin in the middle of the ship, where motion is generally less noticeable. Lastly, remember that a cruise is a chance to disconnect and unwind. While Wi-Fi is available, it's often slow and expensive, so consider this an opportunity to take a digital detox. Embrace the chance to read a book, engage in conversation, or simply watch the world go by. These onboard tips will help ensure you have an unforgettable cruise experience. Enjoy every moment, and may the sea be ever in your favor. So there you have it, everything you need to know about planning your cruise trip. We've navigated through the sea of options to help you choose the right cruise. If this voyage through cruise planning has been helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. You can check out the links in the description to see some popular cruise travel items. And if you liked this video, be sure to check out our other videos that explore exciting destinations all over the world. You can check those out here.